Hi friends, Kurumzeri. First of all, Merry Christmas to everyone in advance. Today, I am going to share a delightful recipe of plum cake which is known to be a must-have recipe for December 25th. There are many versions of it, so do different ways to celebrate this festival. This is my eggless version without alcohol. If you like this video and new, please do subscribe the channel and don't forget to like, comment and share. So let's begin. For this recipe, you will need a lot of dry fruits. You can add more or lessen the quantity as per your wish. To start with, in a bowl, I am going to add this of dry fruits one by one. That is 3 tablespoons each of walnut, cashew nut, almonds, tutti frutti, seedless raisins and 2 tablespoons each of fig, dates, melon seed and cherry. Now let's squeeze out 2 by 3 cup fresh orange juice and add it to the bowl containing dry fruit mixture. Let it soak for 2-3 hours. You can keep it longer, say overnight if you have enough time with you. Otherwise, if you are running out of time and looking for an instant plum cake, just boil the dry fruits with orange juice for about 7 to 10 minutes instead of soaking. It's about to complete 2 hours. Let's line a 9-inch cake tin with parchment paper and preheat the oven for a minimum 10 minutes. 2 hours has been completed. In a bowl, I will be taking half cup curd and 2 by 3 cup powdered caramelized sugar and whisk together nice and proper. Now let's sip in other dry ingredients one by one. That is 1.5 cup all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons milk powder, half teaspoon each of cinnamon and ginger powder. Then grate a quarter nutmeg of medium size into it, along with a pinch of salt to balance out the sweetness. Now let's add a little bit of orange zest, say half a teaspoon to give a zing of tangy orange flavor to it. Then here goes 1 teaspoon vanilla extract to enhance the flavor, which will be followed by a quarter cup each of refined oil and slightly melted butter. Let's fold the ingredients together until they are well combined. Now add the soaked dry fruit pieces and fold in together until the ingredients are uniformly mixed. As you can see, the size of the dry fruit pieces have increased noticeably. They must have absorbed the orange juice. That's very good. Finally, I will be adding 1 teaspoon baking powder and half teaspoon baking soda after all the mixing has been completed for better result. Now transfer the content immediately to the lined cake tin. Make sure this last step after mixing the raising agent to be really quick without wasting any time, otherwise the effect of baking powder and soda will be fizzed out and the resulting cake will be deflated. Let's bake this in the preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. 40 minutes have been completed. After passing the toothpick test successfully, our cake is finally ready for decoration. Let it cool down and unmold it. Then keep it on a wire rack for further cooling. Wow, the cake is beautiful. Some of the dry fruits, because of their weight, have settled down at the bottom, which could be visibly seen. Make sure there is enough room for air circulation beneath the rake. It will make the cake dry faster, making it moisture free. So friends, how do you like this plum cake recipe? Trust me, it turns out super delicious and moist. You will find dry fruits in every bite, and it's fun actually. So please do try this recipe at home and do let me know in the comments how it turns out for you. That's all for today. See you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye.